All right, so here we have a 2005 Chevy Tahoe. The problem that we're having with it is the air actuator motor for temperature control is clicking down here. It's basically a stepper motor, and it can't find its position, so it will just click away, resulting in cold AC on this side and hot AC or hot air on that side. So we're going to go in and we're going to take a look at it. We're going to replace it just because it's clicking. So we know that it's a stepper motor, so it can't find its position, and that's why it's clicking, whether it be broken or electrically messed up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this lower cover here. So we have a couple little 7mm bolts we're going to take out now. Yeah, so there should have been a third one right here, I believe. Looks like there should have been a bolt right there. We'll go ahead and pull this out now. Oh, it looks like there could have been a, yeah. All right, so this is the actuator that we're trying to get at. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove this. This is one of our vents coming out for our floor defrost. And so I have a little 7mm bolt over here behind it. So we should be able to just pull that out of its spot there. All right, so that was our one bolt. And this is how it slips in over top. It's basically just our vent. All right, so here's our actuator that we're after. I'm going to go ahead and unplug our electrical connection. That looked like that was pretty down really easy. Tuck that out of the way for you. All right, so I have two little bolts. Let's see if they're smaller than 7. So, all right, so I have a 7/32 bolt on each side. I'll go ahead and remove those. There you go, just pulled it down. Okay, so that's not really a bolt. That's just where a little stud goes on a guide. All right, so this is our door. I just want to make sure that everything's tight. It's opening and closing the way we want it to. All right, so here we have our new actuator that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. All right, so we're going to just go ahead and put it back in position we took it out, so we have to try to put it on the wrong thing. Alright, so we had to line up our door. Go ahead and put our screws back in. All right, so now I'm going to plug our electrical connector back in. All right, so now we want to put our vent back in. Right, now we want to go ahead and put our lower cover back on. All right, so we're all set. We're ready to give it a try. Make sure everything worked out for us.